The Shaw High School Band has always been an important part of Shaw. In the beginning of the year, it's essential that we have a good cheer squad, tough football team, and most importantly, a Sound of Silver marching band. We have interviewed our new band director to see what he has planned for the upcoming band season.
Our biggest goal is going to be really to take what we have and built here at Shaw High School and take that to the next level. We have all the dedication and the experience. I think the biggest key to a successful marching band season is organization. We really have to have all the working parts of the marching band organized. We have to be on time schedules, and especially to make those rehearsals after school and over the summer work, we just have to stay organized, have a plan, and if we do that, then everything will just fall into place.
We have also interviewed the percussion section leader.
Advice I have for the upcoming section leader is to make sure you can be held accountable, you're trustworthy, loyal, and you always have the band director's back. My favorite part about being a marching band is getting out of class early to go to games, really.
Well, it looks like a pretty exciting future here for the marching band at Shaw. I'm Cameron Dodson signing off for The Hood.